Sock Puppet Parody.
Whoa! Did you see that video?
And you know what? I hate the dryer.
I do too.
Is it right behind us right now?
Yes.
Congratulations to Lacuna Coil, the humans, because this is in celebration of their 20th year anniversary of the Comalies album. Big thank you to Katie Conservatory for letting us film in their space. Thank you to Rivethead for the music, Reagan for the vocals. Make sure you buy
our merch.
And make sure you check our YouTube channel. We have made a lot of puppets. Make a little list down below of what you think we will be parodying in the future.
Yeah, let's do that.
Is that an espresso? You got the Italian blend?
It's a Blicho.
Okay, bye.
Bye.